Hello friends, welcome to my channel to watch more videos on Streamlit. As we have gone through many videos on Streamlit such as image detection, image classification, dog and cat recognition, face recognition, flowers recognition and many more videos on Streamlit. Today's video is really interesting and innovative. I am going to do virtual makeup using Streamlit. As we know, girls are always like to do makeup anytime. So let us watch about this code. This is about the code of virtual makeup. Now I will execute the program. Yes, Madhuri Dixit image is there. Our heroine of Bollywood, famous heroine. Now this is original image, this is the output image. Now I will change is the color of the hair. Okay, change, color is change. Now I will again change. Yes, change. Now I will make black. Yes. Now I will change the color of lips. Yes. Yes, color change to green. Now I will check hairs. Yes, color change. So I successfully done with virtual makeup using Streamlit. Please watch my more videos on Streamlit on my youtube.com. Thanks for watching. I have taken more efforts to create this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. Thanks for watching the video.